What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be installing the headlight stay and the headlight. I already pre-done some stuff, but I'm gonna install the headlight and the stay. I got my GoPro in the POV, the GoPro on the bike, and the camera on the side. You can see the front. I'm gonna put that GoPro over there. That's a time lapse. The POV is gonna be on me, and just go from there. But the light is gonna go fast. I only have like an hour, so let me get this going and started. Oh, here we go. I actually ordered these online because my original ones here fall off. I'm gonna install these right now. Alright guys, got those. But guys, if you're interested on how I uninstalled pretty much the stay, the bracket, the whole fairings, I did a video. I'll post it up here somewhere. But here's my stay. Here's the old one, the broken one. So that's completely broken. So like I said, I already moved over some stuff that I needed to. Just I think one thing in here I need to take with so it won't get lost. These pieces. Yep, those. These are gonna meant for right here. But yeah guys, this is what I already installed. These rubber grommets, the screws. I got this for the mirrors back on here, so I removed that from over here. So this should be all good to go. I need to install the cluster, but let me start with this. So all right guys, let me install this. I got a torque wrench right over there. So these is gonna be a 12 millimeter. If you guys want to know the torque spec, I'll put it up right here. It's 24 foot-pounds. So in newton meters, I think it's 33. I'll post it up on the screen. You'll be able to see it. Let's see if the first one goes in. Yep, that's pretty good. Top one might be the difficult one. We'll see. Top one's in. Bottom. It's going in. There we go. It's flat. Alrighty. Let me get my tool. Guys, for me, you could do it by hand if you want to do it with torque it down by hand. But for me, I usually over torque it. You kind of strip out bolts. So I'd rather have an actual torque spec to follow. So this, let me set this to 24 foot-pounds. So that's 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 right there. There we go. So this is gonna be pretty simple. Little by little. And there we go, guys. 24 foot pumps, not much. And there we go, easy. That's done. I like to take off the tension so it won't be on the actual springs. Back down to 0. Save that. Now I can put it back. That's pretty much easy. Like I said, guys, you could do it easy by hand if you want to, but I like to follow the actual torque specs. Like I said, I usually strip out the screws. So now gotta install the cluster. If you guys want to know exactly the torque specs for these two nuts or screws, it's usually a hand twist, like a hand tighten. So usually it's 5.1 torque pounds. So usually by hand you can do it easy. So let me have that straight on there. Screw that in. The other side. All right. So that's gonna be at 8mm. But yeah, guys, if you like this kind of content of DIYs of working on bikes, let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Alright, guys. So from here, it's already tight. I usually like to do like a quarter turn. Yeah, good. And let me get to this side. But yeah, guys, let me know if you like this kind of content, guys. The DIYs, working on the bikes, maintaining. If you share the videos to other people that are interested on working on their own bikes, share it out. Nope, there we go. Tight, then from here it'll be a quarter turn. Not even, there we go. Well, yeah, guys, this job should be easy if you have everything uninstalled, fairings and everything. But if you're just gonna do it in the front, either way, you need to take out the side fairings. If you want to see that video, like I said, I posted up. Looks pretty good, looks pretty clean. So it's gonna literally be mounted right up front where those rubber grommets are. So let me uninstall those, because I already installed the bulbs in there and the top one too. I'm probably gonna do a separate video of upgrading the headlights to HIDs. I already have them, but that's gonna be probably like a winter project, even for the older stuff. If you want to see that, guys, subscribe. There'll be more content coming for the winter. Hopefully I can make that kind of content, because I'm trying to stay busy overall. But yeah, trying to stay busy on making content. I've already been down a month, not be able to ride, so I'm trying to catch up so I can have some content over the winter. There we go. These are the broken pieces from the old one. Now, the new one. Pretty simple, and you could be able to see 4 spots. So you'll be able to slide it in pretty easy. Quick cut, guys. That's gonna be a different day, but I would highly suggest you to install this plastic piece that gonna goes with the fairings to the headlight, because there's a bolt in the center right here behind this that needs to go in the back. So if you try to install it while the headlight is installed, it's hard. I did it already, and you cut yourself trying to get it in the back. So I highly just suggest you guys to, if you're gonna do this, install this plastic piece around the headlight first, so you don't have a problem like I had. So when I was finishing it up, I said you could probably put it before or after. I'd rather say put it before, because you got 2 bolts, the top one and bottom one, same side over here. Then that center one is harder to get to. So, but you guys, I would highly suggest you to put this on first before putting the headlight on. So, alright guys, back to the video. Then now I need to screw it in. Alrighty. With these, I'll say hand tighten, guys, because it's easy to strip out the plastic. So simple, easy, take your time. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. Now I need a screwdriver right here. That broke. Slowly. Gotta be kidding me. Both sides broke off. Alright guys, welcome back. So I had to cut it quick. The sun is already down. Bad thing for the install, my tabs. I don't know to be able to see that. My tabs right here, those actually broke. I don't know why they were not screwed all the way in. So when I was screwing them in, the tab broke on me. So I had to use some ABS cement on those tabs, and I screwed the headlight a bit so the actual screw can go all the way in. So now it's secured. It's all the way in there. I put some zip ties, at least it won't move for now. And I actually tested out, this piece needs to go in there. There we go. So I tested out the headlights. So let me put these back on here. This back on. And I already connected the front one, but you can see, guys, my left headlight, so on the bike from the right, the bulb is burnt out. I didn't see that, but dome and the high beam do work. I just need to replace the actual bulb on the left side here, so right side from the bike. But everything's installed. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, if you want to see exactly an other item or any other video, let me know, guys. I'm gonna install the fairing separately. The headlight is already on with the stay. The mirrors, I'm not gonna install those. I have some aftermarket ones, so I'll probably install those. But you guys, that's the install. Let me take this off. But that's the install of the headlight stay and the headlight. Next, like I said, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna install the rest. That's gonna be the front like shroud and the fairings. We'll see, because I might need to, I'll have to check, uninstall it again, because I need to unscrew it here. I'll check, we'll see. Alright guys, if you like this kind of content, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. Everything was pretty quick, maybe 30 minutes. I'll get this close down to like 15, maybe 10, we'll see. But yeah guys, if you want to see anything else, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.